चलो, action.
All right, all the pappas are here, some real fathers and some experts in parenting. Because those who can't do, they teach. Kyun Khan? Technologia. What kind of a nickname is like Technologia? What is this?
Maybe
तो
नहीं पता तो फिर कौन explain करेगा बैठ के?
नरकुंडी रख लेना. आई थिंक हिज नेम फर्स्ट लेट्स वोट ऑन कि इसको अपना नाम क्या रखना चाहिए. नरकुंडी. आई वोट नरकुंडी.
नरकुंडी.
यार मैं भी
हमने बहुत
नरकुंडी को
पैसे
वेट
कमा
करता
लिए.
हूँ, लेकिन
हाँ.
बट मैं बोलता हूँ कि एटलीस्ट एक हमारी पॉडकास्ट जाने दो, ताकि लोगों को भी पता चले कि वाई नरकुंडी.
वो भी बात है. ठीक है, सही बात है. एक और इनको लोगों को खुद ही समझ में आ जाएगा कि क्यों हम इसको नरकुंडी बुलाते हैं. देखो, तो भाई लोग अपन ने पैसे तो बहुत कमा लिए, है ना, और ऑपरेशंस भी हमारे एकदम स्ट्रीमलाइन हो गए. तो क्या करें जिंदगी के साथ, तो ज्ञान बांटते हैं लोगों में ताकि लोग भी पैसे कमा ले थोड़ा. इज दैट द राइट असेसमेंट हमारे पॉडकास्ट करने का?
हमारी बात सुन के लोग गवाएंगे उल्टा.
भाई एक बात बता
साथ में
दो,
गवाते
ये पॉडकास्ट जो है ना, किसी को कुछ सिखाने के लिए नहीं है और ना ही किसी को बताने के लिए कि पैसे कैसे कमाने हैं. ये सिर्फ बताना है कि हम कैसे बनाते हैं. बाकी लोगों की मर्जी, उन्होंने जिस तरह बनाना है.
I'm not hearing anything from the grandfather of crypto, you know. He's not saying anything. He's very quiet. क्या हो गया भाई? सदगुरु जी.
गुरुजी.
Yes.
What is yes? इतना नर्वसा क्यों रहे हो?
बिल कॉस्बी ऑफ क्रिप्टो.
Ouch.
क्या है ना नाविद, you're the RJ, you know, you're the talent over here. हम लोग बस सुन रहे तेरी बातें. With all those millions you have made, so you know you should definitely guide us on how to do it.
तो फिर मैं तुम्हारे साथ ये पॉडकास्ट क्यों कर रहा हूँ? मैं तो अकेले कर लेता फिर. तो भाई 100 बात की एक बात कि हमारी एनालिसिस क्या है कि मार्केट कहाँ जा रही है. तो
हाँ, एक करके चालू कर सकते हैं. ये अच्छा टॉपिक है चालू करने के लिए.
यस, कि मार्केट कहाँ जा रही है, सबको क्या लगता है. बिकॉज अमंगस्ट अस आल्सो देयर आर लाइक वेरी डिफरिंग व्यूज. कि कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं कि भाई एकदम ही गई, कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं कुछ नहीं आ रही है, और कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं.
पर ये बात अच्छी है बिकॉज हिस्टोरिकली व्हेनेवर ऑल 5 of us have agreed on a point of view, it's never fared well. तो अच्छी बात है ना, हम लोग सब अलग अलग डिवीजन से भी है इसलिए, क्योंकि भाई जब हम सारे की ओपिनियन मैच किए तब तक उल्टा ही हुआ है.
तब तक बवाल हुआ है.
बवाल हो गया. हाँ, लोगों को शायद पता नहीं, जितनी बार भी मार्केट फटा है उस टाइम पे हमारे सारे व्यूज कन्वर्जेंट थे.
नहीं, लेकिन उसमें एक चीज बहुत जरूरी थी कि उन व्यूज में नरकुंडी का व्यू भी इंक्लूडेड था. वी हैवंट एक्सक्लूडेड दैट व्यू एज येट.
तो हमने ऐसा कभी नहीं किया है. करेक्ट, हमने ऐसा कभी नहीं किया है कि खान का अलग हो और हम चारों का एक हो. वो भी एक बार करके देखना पड़ेगा.
वी हैव टू टेस्ट दोस वाटर्स. यस,
करेक्ट.
हाँ, नरकुंडी का व्यू हमारे साथ अलाइन हो गया था और एकदम से मार्केट फट गई. अब ये बात ये हो सकती है कि या तो हम सबके व्यूज एक साथ हो गए और इसलिए मार्केट फट गई, या तो सिर्फ नरकुंडी क्या बोलते हैं बुल मोड में आ गया और इसलिए मार्केट फट गई.
करेक्ट.
इट विल ओनली बी टू थिंग्स.
Correct.
What does Narakundi have to say?
These are all false allegations, and I have my data to prove it.
Please show that to us.
I can't share that.
Why?
we have data to prove otherwise.
I
We have
have my
screenshots to
screenshots.
prove otherwise.
I have my profit screenshots ready.
Actually, जब इसने कोई पोजीशन ली है, उसी सेकंड में कैंडल हैज टर्न फ्रॉम ग्रीन टू रेड. उसी सेकंड में, लाइक इट्स नॉट इवन लाइक अ मिनट कैंडल, इट्स लाइक द सेकंड कैंडल दैट आवर बिलवेड ग्रैंडफादर वॉचेस एवरी सेकंड. कहाँ पे जा रही है मार्केट, वो दैट जस्ट टर्न्स टू फकिंग रेड. ठीक है, तो मार्केट कहाँ जा रही है भाई? स्टार्ट करते हैं. कहाँ से स्टार्ट करें? रियलिस्ट से स्टार्ट करते हैं.
मेरा व्यू, हम तो जा रहे हैं ऊपर.
कितना ऊपर? क्या किस हिसाब से ऊपर जा रहे हैं?
मेरे हिसाब से न्यू ऑल टाइम हाई ऑन ETH वेरी सून. हाँ, बट अगेन राइट नाउ इन माय व्यू, आई कुड बी रॉन्ग, we've been wrong too many times, but BTC will also rally right now. Dominance will rise. but eventually that rotation into ETH and then large caps will happen. मेरे को ये नहीं पता broad based, मतलब जो हमारा भी thesis रहा है, मेरे को ये नहीं पता कि broad based altcoin market किस तरीके से perform करेगा, but in my opinion BTC to ETH to large caps will definitely happen. That is yet to be seen. That is yet to be seen. Now, some are also suspecting that 4-year cycle is broken. Some are saying that the 4-year cycle is still sort of intact. But in my view, the 4-year cycle can probably get a bit elongated. But ऐसा भी नहीं कि it becomes like a 6-7 year cycle. मतलब most likely we will rally into 2026 is what my point of view is, and the correction will also happen in 2026.
Got it. सदगुरु जी क्या है आपकी outlook?
Can I share my screen?
Please.
Somebody
You made
guide
a
him.
presentation. Is this the first time that you made a presentation in 10 years?
Kunal is back. Kunal is jumping into his VC mode again.
I am in. This is my view, with her view.
It'll be a bear photo.
नहीं bro, you can see the photo. मस्त
No.
photo है
No, we
यार.
can't.
ये कैसे चलता है ये यार साला? आ गया. Yes, the bottom is in, my friends.
Wait, let me zoom in.
अच्छा bottom is in.
Yes.
आप बुल कैसे बन गए?
अरे मैं ऐसे ही बुल नहीं, इसको देख के बुल बन गया अभी मैं.
यार.
There go.
हाँ ब्रो, मैं तो थोड़ा पता नहीं है, I'm little mixed right now because वो last time जो होता वाइप आउट अपना मस्त ऑल्ट्स का, so my read is कि ऑल्ट्स का वाइप आउट का normally should have a hard rally, वो hard rally आया नहीं है. It's still like volume is still like increase. It's like prices are increasing on lower volumes. It's not really moving up, as aggressively as it should at this point. And वो सारा range market ही चल रहा है अभी तक, cleaning out all the charts. तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. As in right now there is no incentive for it to stay down. If the market makers wanted, by now it should be moving upwards aggressively because everyone's cleaned out. सबको उड़ा दिया उन्होंने वो एक दिन पे. तो क्यों नहीं भाग रहा है? मतलब अभी वापस लॉन्ग शॉट्स बन रहे हैं वापस, मतलब वापस रेंज ही कराएगी इसको. तो मतलब अगर भागना है, it should ideally see टाइमलाइन जो था, पैटर्न जो था पहले का, November December is when it should rally. अच्छा, ये पूरा साइकिल nothing has gone as per timeline. या तो पहले या तो बाद में ही होता है. अच्छा, तो I feel या तो अगर मौत आनी है तो मौत आनी है नवंबर में कि एंड ऑफ साइकिल टाइप्स, अगर नहीं आनी है तो देन थोड़ा और लंबा होएगा. It doesn't read in any direction right now. That is,
and that's your point of view, and that's your point of view for all asset classes, which is BTC, ETH, and other alts.
No,
or that's just your perspective on alts.
Alts. I'm saying BTC ETH might rally, but if you're playing on BTC ETH, you're fine, right? But if you want to make real upsides, they are sitting in the alts. और alts में अगर वो movement है नहीं, तो मतलब you have to stay in BTC and ETH and play in there only because they are at least stronger than the remaining. Remaining सब तो मर गए. There's no conviction on any token for more than like a week. So anyway, मैं तो BTC ETH खेलता ही नहीं है. तो I'm not really looking at that market. I'm looking at mainly the alts market. So waiting कि कुछ अच्छा आ जाए वहाँ पे. But right now I'm not seeing anything that's really interesting. Like XRP of course है, जैसा नया बैठा है XRP lover बैठा है यहाँ पे, तो वो तो है, लेकिन बाकी वाला looking like very like just in the range market till now.
अगला कौन है? Who's next?
XRP lover.
XRP lover. यार my analysis is कि एक दो तीन चार चीजें बेसिकली. एक तो जो तेरा 4-year cycle था ना पहले, I think there is a change to that. ठीक है, we won't see the 4-year cycle 2-year bull वो वाला. I don't think 2-year bear वो नहीं देखेंगे अपन. I think bear अगर आता भी है तो we will see probably 8 months to 10 months का bear मिलेगा हमें, where BTC retraces down from its current value, let's say 30-35% retrace करता है, and then it should stabilize there and then move back up in about 8 to 10 months. That's what I assume. Now coming back to alts का मसला ये है कि in the past 2 years ये जितने भी meme tokens का एक वो rally आया, उसने alt market इतनी बुरी तरीके से mess up कर दी है कि you have probably 10,000 alt tokens that are getting launched every day from different platforms. There is Pump Fund, there is Ford, there is Moonshot. मतलब इतने सारे हैं, and they're all pushing out meme tokens one after the other, and all the retail money is going there. It's like a live casino that's going on, right? And what
Correct.
that has done is that it's basically sucked the liquidity out of the top 100 alts that you could have actually assumed to move up. Okay. Now, coming back to the point कि ये जो पिछले 2-4 दफा, it's not just the 10th October crash. अगर तुम देखो last April से लेके December तक, and then the mid 2025 January February के बीच में भी एक crash आया था, and then now in October there have been multiple instances where they've actually wiped those liquidity off, right? BTC has retraced maybe like 5%, 10%, ETH गिरता है 15-20%, एक दफा ETH शायद ज़्यादा गिर गया था, but majority alts they just get decimated in that crashes, right? जो सर्वाइव करते हैं वो आपके वही है टॉप 50, टॉप 100, ठीक है, वो गिरते हैं 20%, 25%, 30%, बहुत ज्यादा गिर गया तो and I feel कि the whole market is moving in such a way कि ये जितना भी कचरा पट्टी है आपके meme tokens का and all those, and you've seen protocols getting launched on meme platforms, right? So you have AI agents, you have small DeFi protocols getting their tokens launched on Pump Fund, right? Which makes no sense.
Correct.
What is the security behind those tokens at the end of the day? Utility क्या होने, they just work as meme tokens at the end of the day. तो वो सारा वो clean out करके, and they probably move the liquidity back into the top maybe 50, 100 tokens. But I think that will take time, or that has taken time. वो जो पूरा हमने 2025 देखा है, that is what has happened. And now if you look, people, I used to trench for meme tokens, right? And now I've seen that there are people who were basically hardcore trenchers meme tokens के, now they're moving out back into the dinosaur tokens के, यार XRP बढ़ेगा या Solana बढ़ेगा या there is XMR जो बढ़ेगा, ठीक है, people are moving slowly and gradually back to them, and
Correct.
I think that is what's going to happen come November December के सारा का सारा पैसा वापस slowly and gradually उधर move होना शुरू होगा. Before that happens, I think BTC is a very critical place. अगर उसने अभी 116 तोड़ा और ऊपर गया, so then we could see new highs. But right now it's getting rejected from 116. Like today morning it got rejected from there. Now today evening we'll have to see, and today and tomorrow are very important to see कि market किस तरह जाती है, because आज और कल तो इतनी कोई मेजर कंपनी की अर्निंग रिपोर्ट्स नहीं आ रही, ठीक है, कोई ऐसी बड़ी मेजर न्यूज नहीं है. बट वेडनेसडे यू हैव अर्निंग रिपोर्ट्स फ्रॉम माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, यू हैव अर्निंग रिपोर्ट्स फ्रॉम आई थिंक मेटा, ठीक है, यू हैव द सीपीआई रेट कट्स इंफॉर्मेशन कमिंग इन फ्रॉम द फेड्स. तो ऑल ऑफ दैट वेडनेसडे को सारा जो है वो एक्चुअल मूव पता चलेगा किधर जा रहा है. इन दीस 2 days आई थिंक ऊपर नीचे रेंज करेगा, हो सकता है नीचे भी जाए, 110 की पॉसिबिलिटी है, क्लियर हो सकता है.
Yeah, I don't think so.
What do you think? What? तो अच्छा यार मैं सीरियस हो जाता हूँ.
मैं बोल रहा मौत आ गई, खाली लोग पता नहीं हम लोग मर गए.
अच्छा ऐसा है क्या? You think that the top is in?
No, I didn't say the top is in.
नहीं, Mr. Guru.
हाँ नहीं, मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ कि this entire week will just range, सबको काटेगा, सबको खत्म करेगा, और सब गोना डाई. BTC थोड़ा रैली करेगा आगे, but मतलब your gains are not in BTC right now. Like यहाँ से let's say looking at cycle top, so then it's like it's not really what you call much money in that, like in longing the market.
See, but I think what's happened is I sort of subscribe to what that view on the rest of the altcoin market is, which is and what Mr. Daddy also just said कि भैया BTC आज रिजेक्ट हो रहा है, ठीक है, आप जैसे बोल रहे हो कि you're not saying that the top is in, but the money has to be made from alts. BTC इतना कुछ पता नहीं, but I kind of feel that what's going to happen is right now the entire market is in alts, right? Retail is in alts right now.
Yeah.
Right. Smart money has ridden the BTC wave, right? And the smart money has ridden the BTC wave very, very smartly, right? Quite aptly so, right? How has it ridden that wave? Because they've probably pulled off a 6-7x on an asset which historically probably does that much. But while it's doing a 6x, and alt will probably end up doing a 60x or a 600x. Now, smart money was there. understanding this, retail went to alts because they wanted to sort of outsmart smart money, which seldom happens. तो अभी होगा क्या मेरे हिसाब से कि dominance will keep on rising, going back to my initial point, because and how will dominance rise? Dominance can rise in two ways, obviously, कि या तो BTC on the upside outperforms everybody, or on the downside sort of outperforms the laggards. My money is on the fact that we are still going into upside, because ideally, if we go by this entire, because eventually risky assets, and this is probably the riskiest of all asset classes, it is going to be linked with monetary policy, and monetary policy is scheduled to change. Now, this is just speculation, but monetary policy is likely to change. और अभी अगर likely to change है, तो riskiest of this entire bunch is the altcoin market, and I think it is very easy to have this setup कि entire retail makes money. तो वो होगा नहीं मेरे हिसाब से. BTC के पास, BTC is probably going to form its last leg. And as BTC forms its last leg, BTC will still continue to inch up. All BTC pairs will continue to bleed, because people in the retail which is stuck in alts eventually has to give up and move to BTC. All that money which is still in alts has to move to BTC so that BTC can distribute. And once BTC distribution is done, will that money move into an ETH? Will that money move into, say, alts? Hua ye because nobody had expected ETH to also pull off randomly, completely randomly, a 3x, right? But a BTC ended up pulling off a 3x in the past, maybe what, April se leke abhi tak, in the past 5 odd months, right? 5-6 odd months. Nobody expected that to happen either. But ETH का उस दिन bottom लग गया, which is ETH BTC का bottom लग गया. Alt BTC pairs का अभी तक bottom नहीं लगे, because अभी क्या हो रहा है कि slowly and steadily smart money wants to move into ETH, then the entire altcoin market. But for that to happen, they will have to unwind their BTC positions first. वो तब तक नहीं कर पाएंगे जब तक retail को alt ही खरीदना है. वो कन्विंस करेंगे कि रिटेल को अभी बीटीसी इज द सेक्सीएस्ट एसेट ऑफ ऑल. उसके लिए वो सारा पैसा बीटीसी पे खींचना पड़ेगा, व्हिच इज व्हाई डोमिनेंस विल कंटिन्यू टू राइज, बीटीसी विल कंटिन्यू टू राइज, एंड बीटीसी राइजिंग, ऑल बीटीसी पेयर्स ब्लीडिंग is actually a good thing at this stage of the market, with quantitative easing coming in, कि the money will eventually move into alts. Again, but इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि alt market की रैली मान लो 1 साल के करीबन की चले, जैसे पिछले साइकिल की तरह, या 9 महीने की चले, या इतने एक्सेस पुल ऑफ करे. बिकॉज जैसे हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं दैट इवन इफ वी लुक एट द नंबर ऑफ टोकन्स दैट देयर आर एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, तो इतने सारे टोकन्स में लिक्विडिटी जाना मुश्किल है. बढ़ेंगे वो टॉप 100 या टॉप 200 ही, बट अभी क्या है कि वो टॉप 100 और 200 भी अंडर परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. उधर पैसा जाएगा, eventually जाएगा, but that will happen once this final rotation happens. Final rotation of retail into BTC and distribution of smart money away from BTC, getting liquidity and then pumping ETH and everything, which is why my money is on ETH making, BTC making a new all-time high, dominance rising, ETH making a new all-time high, but all still getting butchered.
What? So
I think along with ETH and BTC, I think along with BTC and ETH, one other alt that is going to move
XRP.
equally fast is going to be XRP.
Of course, XRP, of course, of course.
ये
Organic post.
ये से बोलता है, ये से बोलता है कि आई बिलीव इन XRP. मैंने इसको ना बोला कि देख, यहाँ से ना मेरे XRP is gonna run from here. It is at a very good point. नहीं ब्रो, अभी तो कहाँ, ऐसा लग रहा है कि और गिर जाएगा. कल रात में फिर बोलता है कि ओ हाँ यार, ऐसा लग रहा है कि अब थोड़ा सा डिप आएगा ना तो मैं एंटर कर जाऊंगा. मैंने कहा इतने XRP में बिलीव करता है, जब बिलीव करने का टाइम था तब तो डर के बैठा हुआ था कि XRP नहीं जाएगा.
ब्रो देख भाई, हम लोग जो है ना, देख मसला आता है, हम लेवरेज पढ़ते बैठे होते हैं, उसमें जो है ना वो 2.50 से 2.60 पे हम डर रहे होते हैं, या एटलीस्ट मैं डर रहा होता हूँ, क्योंकि लेवरेज इतना हाई होता है. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, अगर वैसे प्राइस पॉइंट देखें तो एंटरिंग एनी टाइम बिफोर आई थिंक $2.70 is a very good buy-in for XRP. In all honesty, जिस तरह XRP की मार्केट अभी मूव कर रही है, तुम ये देखो पिछले 2-3 दिन में BTC ने जितना रैली किया, BTC से ज्यादा रैली XRP कर चुका है. ठीक है, जब टूटा था उसके बाद भी रिकवरी XRP की सबसे बेस्ट हुई थी. It has always been performing well throughout this year. इसने मतलब अपने डाउन्स मारी नहीं है. Best token ever, undefeated. I believe in Mr. I believe in Mr. Brad and his influence on the US government
Absolutely.
and
क्या
XRP
token
being
है?
the center of the financial systems.
क्या amazing use case है, amazing use case है, 10x.
तो थोड़े दिन पहले तक he was a big believer in MM crypto. Ladies and gentlemen, my XRP trades are giving me millions on millions. साला क्या हुआ, उड़ गया एक क्रैश में उड़ गया.
Bro, but to be honest, I think credit where due where it's given. वो बंदा, I still agree with what he says. उसने थोड़े दिन पहले हम लोग को सबको बताया कि भाई 21 EMA ribbons है, तेरी BTC नीचे जा रही है, it could go further down, and he was right. एक बंदा जिसने $40 million बना लिए एक साल में, you have to give him credit. कुछ तो पता है उसको.
Yes, but he also got liquidated, so.
But that's part of the game ना यार. अगर 40 मिलियन बना के वो अगर 40 मिलियन बना के वो 2 मिलियन पे लिक्विडेट हो रहा है, that is that I don't see anything wrong with that.
He lost $11 million.
And to everyone here, we are not financial advisors. Do not take financial advice. Do your own research.
That I agree.
तो मैं क्या देख रहा हूँ, तो I agree with Realist कि dominance is going to go up, liquidity is going to flow into the king. मैं अभी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि BTC नीचे जाएगा और डोमिनेंस बढ़ेगी, पर कल क्या हुआ है कि मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूँ कि इसका जो 21 वीक EMA है और जो 50 वीक EMA है, ये दिख रही है मेरी स्क्रीन? तो मेरी स्क्रीन दिख रही है?
Now it is.
हाँ, तो ये जो 21 वीक EMA है, इससे नीचे जब डिप करता है, it tests its 50 week EMA and then it goes back up, but it is not going there. It's the market is like so strong, and it makes sense कि अगर if they want retail audience to come back to BTC, they will have to pump BTC because अभी तो इनको अपनी बुक्स नीचे क्या बोलते हैं कि हल्की करने के लिए किसी पे तो
unwind करनी है, yeah, they will have to dump eventually,
yeah, and that has to be retail. और जब तक retail को ये नहीं लगेगा कि obviously कि BTC is the king और BTC ही खेलना चाहिए, तब तक नहीं आएगा. जैसे हम लोग भी we are not playing BTC that much, right? We are hardly playing BTC ETH. हम लोग भी alts में लगे रहते हैं. तो retail audience also has to come like believe in BTC कि BTC अब जाएगा 2.5 लाख 3 लाख जो पहले जो narrative चल रहा था, और आके इतनी liquidity इसमें आ जाएगी कि वो लोग unwind करने लगेंगे position. XRP के साथ यार प्रॉब्लम ये है ना कि XRP के साथ एक different scenario है कि XRP वो चलाते भी हैं, मतलब कि there are there is like a big group of people who hold like majority of the XRP tokens. It's not as fairly distributed as BTC, even BTC nahi, but like not as BTC, but तेरे XRP is like whale sort of accumulation बहुत ज़्यादा, और उनके ऊपर है कि वो चलाएं या गिराएं. That is one of the things with XRP. ETH के साथ अब ये दिख रहा है कि basically ETH also what happened was कि ETH has rejected its basically going below its 21 week EMA, and it's like holding that support like very strongly. Jab when it crashed to 1385, that was the lowest point in its regression band. It touched that 1385 and it came back up. So for ETH to crash that much is now not possible. करेगा भी तो like हल्का सा and then it will come back up. And
भाई not possible की बात वैसे बोल नहीं सकते, होने को तो देखो, होने को कुछ भी हो सकता है.
उन्होंने तोड़ना होता है ना, जब उन्होंने तोड़ना होता है तो वो ऐसे बैरियर्स तोड़ते हैं, बाइनेंस जो है ना वो आपकी बजाने आ जाता है.
See the thing is कि no matter what, all of this वो तोड़ सकते हैं मार्केट. लाइक BTC ETH पे इतनी वॉल्यूम है और इतने तेरे इंस्टीट्यूशनल बाइंग हो रही है. लाइक ETH पे अब रोज इंस्टीट्यूशनल बाइंग हो रही है. एक दो जो कंपनीज आई हैं वो बहुत भर के ETH ले रहे हैं. सिमिलरली एक नई चीज देखी मैंने, लिंक में बहुत इंस्टीट्यूशनल बाइंग हो रही है.
करेक्ट.
लिंक एक्चुअली इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग ऑप्शन. ये तू सही नाम लिया.
One of the reasons that is happening, that a lot of these companies that are coming in, they need Oracle services, right? And I'm guessing that Link as a company is telling them to hold and stake Link to get those services. And
it's not just about the Oracle services. It's about जितना भी अब RW assets तेरे आ रहे हैं, जो नया narrative चल रहा है पूरा AI and RW narrative, उसके लिए जितना भी प्राइस फीड डेटा है, जितना भी बेसिकली ट्रांजैक्शन मूविंग फ्रॉम वेब 2 टू वेब 3 हो रहा है, उसमें तेरा मेजर जो है बैकबोन वो लिंक प्रोवाइड कर रहा है at the end of the day. And link का जो token है, that is one token that is actually getting utilized as a token in that transaction.
अरे भाई लिंक का जो टोकन है, अच्छा माय फ्रेंड्स, इतना तू बोल रहा है ना कि यूज हो रहा है, the volume of their business is not in line with the volume of the valuations, right? It's all market maker driven.
You're talking fundamentals now. When has this market ever operated on the basis of fundamentals?
नहीं, मैं वो नहीं बोल रहा, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि तुम लोग लिंक का बोल रहे कि इतने कस्टमर आ रहे हैं, इतना धंधा आ रहा है, धंधे से कुछ होने नहीं वाला है, you just have to pay इसका market maker does the right thing, बस वही है.
No, it's about money flow. It's about money
At
flow.
the end of the day, वो तो तू ETH ले ले, BTC ले ले, XRP ले ले, Solana ले ले, it all comes down to the bloody market makers. ठीक है, Wintermute ने पिछले पूरे एक साल में सबकी बचा के रखी है.
Most hated market maker probably.
ये किसी ने नोटिस किया, आई डोंट नो कि नोटिस किया नहीं किया, कि ये पूरे पॉडकास्ट के बीच में क्या बोलते हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी, जिसने अपना टेक्नोलॉजी नाम रखा है, उसको ग्लिच हो गया, फिर वो अटक गया एक जगह, फिर डिस्कनेक्ट किया, फिर वापस कि दिस इज हैपनिंग ड्यूरिंग द पॉडकास्ट, कि ये आदमी इतना प्रिपेयर और अपना नाम इसने क्या रखा है, टेक्नोलॉजिया, कि ऐसा
नहीं, बट इसका नाम बिल्कुल सही रखा हुआ है, बिकॉज इफ यू सी द एक्चुअल मीम, राइट, उसमें वो बंदा ऐसा ही है ना, who has no idea about technology.
I think someone should share the meme where me and the grandfather of crypto are like boomers right now. So ये meme हमने देखा नहीं है.
मैंने देखा भाई, तू अकेला बैठा है यहाँ पे.
शेयर करके दिखाओ फिर स्क्रीन, क्या बात कर रहे हो तुम?
ग्रैंडफादर की स्क्रीन पे सिर्फ बॉटम इन होता है अभी.
चले कोआला चले कोआला, लेट्स गो टू कोआला.
Is the future of crypto, bro?
No way, man.
No way, bro. Dubai is the future of crypto. This is where you need.
Correct.
But कोआला में जो बिल्डिंगें हैं, उनके वहां से व्यू जो है वो इतना शानदार व्यू है कि लोगों को इतना मजा आ रहा है. आई हैव नॉट सीन बट हर्ड, आई वुड से at least 200 YouTube videos in the office about how good KL is. Like, it's so good. Every influencer and every
पूरी feed ही change हो गई to show about Malaysia.
Yeah.
Look at this view, la, so beautiful, la.
Yeah, technology. Where is the meme, bro? Can you share your screen?
One second, it's loading.
Oh, he has like an alt account open right now, and which he doesn't want to share with us.
I have many alt accounts.
एक काम कर, तू जा टेरेस पे जा, वहाँ पे तेरे को मिलेगा नेटवर्क मिलेगा वहाँ पे, तू वहाँ से दिखेगा तेरे को मीम.
वो टेरेस पे इसलिए बोल रहे हो, रिसीवर अपना सर पे लेके तेरे सर को रिसीवर की तरह यूज करेगा.
वैसे ही रिसीव होता है ना, कि इतना कुछ बाल तो है नहीं, देयर इज नो फ्रिक्शन फॉर रिसीविंग सिग्नल्स.
अबे वो जो नहीं, वो 3 AI एटलस जो आ रहा है, वो वाओ सिग्नल भेज रहा है, वो सिर्फ यही रिसीव कर रहा है.
मैं बोलता हूँ 30th को ना एक शॉट ले ले, 3 आएगा ना खुलासा, फुल शॉट कर मार्केट को.
Alright.
Bro, this is not how it works. You know, this is a.
I swear to God, यार ये क्या बंदा है यार, मतलब मीम सर्च करने के लिए इसने गूगल पे डाला और उधर से यार.
और नहीं तो पूरे टाइम फाड़ते रहेगा कि Reddit, every answer is on Reddit, you know.
It is.
Reddit से निकालता हूँ सर्च करने के
I
लिए.
can't share my Reddit credentials over here. Everyone will find out what it is, so can't do that.
Yeah, I know.
FBI
You like this.
पूछेगी, you know, एयरपोर्ट पे भी बोलेंगे declare your Reddit, like sorry.
पूरी दुनिया के लोग बैठे हुए हैं कि तेरा Reddit प्रोफाइल जानने के लिए कि क्या है इसका.
It doesn't matter. कुछ भी हो सकता है.
अच्छा.
Women with mustaches.
Yes, that is one of the common searches that.
Subreddit.
Yes.
Oh, let me search है क्या?
So yes, like I was saying,
सब मिलेगा.
तो सदगुरु जो बात कर रहा है ना ओवर वैल्यूएशंस की, ब्रो, आई थिंक even in the US stock markets, को लगता है कि Nvidia, Tesla, ये इनकी इतनी वैल्यूएशन है जितने अभी है उनकी, everything is overvalued in the US markets. They have to sustain those.
हाँ, लेकिन dude वहाँ पे क्या है difference is that the अभी hype train चल रहा है वहाँ पे at this point, right? So hype train is sitting over a fundamental value of the company. Okay, now if you look at AI stocks, of course they all overvalued because hype चल रहा है. Same like crypto. लेकिन if you're looking at fundamental businesses, they still are not everything overvalued in tech, but it's not at the multiplier level which you have in crypto. Crypto का mainly the entire volume run by market makers. उधर सबको ही पता है. तेरी बस किस्मत है कि जिस पे तूने लगाया, it is running what you call, in line with the market. Now, what I would probably do is I'm looking at Ethena. So Ethena is pretty much like a leverage bet without taking leverage on ETH. Because तू चार्ट देखेगा, ETH भागेगा, सीधा Ethena भागेगा at probably 2-3% more up or down. तो अगर तेरे को लेना है, let's say a position on ETH without buying ETH and taking little leverage without getting liquidated, just buy Ethena instead. But again, the thing is, it's all about the market maker mainly tying its entire pricing and its movement on the Ethereum chart. So that is what's happening right now. Looking at valuations makes no sense. It's just looking at which market maker is tied to which token.
ये इथीना वाला तू थोड़े दिन पहले भी ट्रेड कर रहा था. How is that going?
The problem is
I was very quiet. मैंने बोला बोलने दे इसको, फिर मैं बात करूंगा इससे.
देख if you're careful about it, you'll make money. Simple वो है कि अगर तू leverage नहीं लिया, अभी क्या है मेरे लिए Ethereum on leverage, which by buying Ethena, and then I take Ethena on leverage. So I'm taking leverage on leverage technically. तो थोड़ा लफड़ा है उसमें. But if you just take a straight position on Ethena, take a spot position and ride it, you'll end up making more than what Ethereum can offer you. Also lose at the same time because it's purely like a leverage trade on Ethereum.
Yeah, but it's still an alt, right? I kind of feel that alt BTC still bleeds.
Yeah, all BTC pairs will bleed. ये वो 0.29 गया था अभी crash में. It should cover some of that wick or maybe at least go back to that. Alt USD pairs क्या लगता है तुमको? और टूटेंगे? Yeah, will it be that alt stabilize and then BTC keeps running?
नहीं, I think all BTC pairs भी टूटेगा थोड़ा और.
नहीं, all BTC pairs can go down if alts are stable and then BTC is like running.
Yeah.
तो ये भी है जरा. अभी ये क्या बोलते हैं BTC dominance, what I'm seeing is like just to come back to 60%, it's taking like some time. जिस दिन फ्लैश क्रैश आया था उस दिन तो एकदम 64 तक गया, वापस नीचे आया. लास्ट थोड़े दिन से it's like hovering around 59, 59.5, 59.7, ऊपर जाता है फिर नीचे आता है. वापस से 60 क्रॉस करने में it'll need like some kind of a push. I think that will be when over this weekend when we have the rate cut, you see BTC starting to run, maybe then it will push. चाइना के साथ ट्रेड डील भी हो गई है, तो एक उस पे भी थोड़ी बात कर लेते हैं कि do you think it will hold? मुझे लगता है कि ये अभी अनाउंस हुआ है. एक हफ्ते बाद.
What's the latest? अभी पीस वापस आ गई?
अभी उन्होंने अनाउंस किया थोड़े दिन की, अब हो गया कल रात में कि बहुत मजा आया, अच्छे से किया, सब हो गया है, बात करेंगे. थोड़े दिन बाद फिर से वही वो क्या बोलते हैं कि ऑब्वियसली एक रियलिटी टीवी के अंदर हम हैं जहाँ पे ट्रम्प के साथ पूरी दुनिया चल रही है, लाइक एवरीवन इज गेटिंग ईदर हायर्ड और फायर्ड. तो अभी चीन ने बोला है, चाइना भी इतना बेवकूफ तो है नहीं, तो उन्होंने भी ये बोला है कि हाँ अब कर ली है, बट दे विल ऑल्सो सी कि जो उनको फायदा होगा वो वैसे ही डील करेंगे. तो आई डोंट थिंक दिस इज गोइंग एनीवेयर द ट्रेड डील, बट लेट्स सी.
भाई इंटरिम में तो आई थिंक इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ पॉजिटिव न्यूज़ फॉर द मार्केट. ठीक है, वो मसला सारा ये है कि अभी ये रेट कट एफओएमसी मीटिंग होनी है, रेट कट होना है, तो ये सारी पॉजिटिव न्यूज़ करेंगे ताकि वो गिराए प्राइस का इंटरेस्ट रेट गिराए. कुछ भरोसा नहीं है, वो मिस्टर मियागी बन जाता है, टैरिफ्स ऑन टैरिफ्स ऑफ टैरिफ्स ऑन टैरिफ्स ऑफ हो जाता है वो, तो उसका भरोसा नहीं है. हो सकता है मिड नवंबर में जाके ही गोज बैक ऑन टू टैरिफ्स ऑन 150% टैरिफ बिकॉज उसको जी की कोई बात बुरी लग गई. तो वी डोंट नो, इट्स कंप्लीटली अनसर्टेन अनटिल एंड अनलेस समथिंग रिटन एंड फाइनलाइज एंड ट्रेड स्टार्ट्स. जब तक उस वक्त तक आई वुडंट bet on it. I'll just be very careful with that. और उसका to be honest, at the end of the day, इट डजंट इवन मैटर कि वो चाइना को क्या कर रहा है. आज उसकी चाइना से हटी हुई है, उसने चाइना पे 150% टैरिफ लगा दिया, मार्केट क्रैश हो गई. कल रात को जो है जापानीज स्टॉक एक्सचेंज आपका जो वो फट गया, ठीक है, और अब वो बोलेगा मुझे जापान पे इंटरेस्ट रेट लगाना है, क्या कर लेंगे हम?
But इस point पे ना, I kind of feel that the trend does not get affected by any of this. जो smart, I mean the direction in which smart money has to move in, it moves. It does not matter about these narratives, because if you think about it, all the way from maybe sub 20K levels, all the way when BTC went up to maybe like a 60, 70K, 80K, when we made a range there, that entire Middle East crisis broke out. Uske pehle the East European crisis broke out. Nothing mattered. The overall trend, because at that point of time, the play was BTC, right? So since if the play was BTC at that point of time, BTC as an asset did not care. What got butchered was the ancillaries. For example, the alts got butchered. So for example, every crash, the alts go deeper and deeper, while say a BTC goes higher and higher, because the overall trend of the favorite asset or the asset of the season or the flavor of the season does not get perturbed by these flushes. So abhi bhi, if you realize, BTC is also overall, it's intact. It's not gone anywhere. Even October 10th, all that it did was it caused all BTC pairs to get butchered even more. For example, alts, or in essence, alts got butchered. BTC and the next emerging sort of asset, which right now is ETH, which is probably the king of alts, right? Which, in my view, so for example, BTC made that bottom of 15K maybe in like 2023, 2022. ETH made that bottom maybe right now of this current trend, right? It obviously made a bottom last year, but the current trend bottom was made here in say April, May this year. All still haven't done that. So these two assets are not getting perturbed much by whatever news flow that's happening. BTC is getting affected the least. ETH is getting affected a bit. Alts, they don't get affected. They go into comatose every time each of these flushes happen. So these flushes, these news events are essentially made important for the section of money which is unimportant right now. And that section of money is sitting in alts right now. That is that unimportant section of money. The important section of money is unperturbed. Till the rotation happens. And once the rotation moves out of BTC, maybe into an ETH, like for example, Navar is saying that bhai abhi ETH ke andar money flow hona shuru ho chuka hai, right? And institutions have already started buying. So now institutions are getting created, which are essentially going to be ETH buying institutions, which is something which leveraged ETH buying institutions, which is something that we saw with BTC so much. So now that this trend is starting, we will soon see that ETH will also get less and less perturbed by these flushes. Once the money flows into alts, the news around us will change, the narrative around us will change, and each of those narratives will be spun off as positive for the alts and negative for BTC once the rotation has happened. But before that rotation has happened, each of these negative events will be spun off as not so negative for BTC, slightly more negative for ETH, but decimating for alts. This entire thing will change once that money rotation has happened.
So do you guys still subscribe to the 4-year cycle theory? That okay, like let's say few months either here and there might not like disrupt that cycle. कि चलो 4-5 महीने ऊपर नीचे हो गया तो ठीक है, but we still believe in the 4-hour cycle BTC का.
There is no reason to believe that the cycle has been broken yet, because we are still in, historically, this is when markets stop. So I get why Sadhguru is saying the markets are topping, because currently the narrative and the sentiment has also changed. Like October 10th, what it did was pretty decimating for the entire market, right? And the reaction of the market is not as pleasing as altcoin holders would have expected it to be. Like I said, the ignored segment of the money of the market right now. So historically, this is when markets have topped, but it's yet to be seen, because I would like to believe that the market cycle might still follow the previous sort of old cycles, and there is still enough room for that theory to play out. Like I said, time is reducing. right? So we can probably rally well into 2026, where 2025 end will mark the top of BTC. But the remainder of 2026, which could be the first half maybe, or the first sort of 30 odd percent of the year, could probably see that money rotation happening into ETH and alts, and not obviously all alts. There is not enough money in the world to pump the number of tokens that exist today, like the
Bitcoin's
hundreds and
together.
thousands of tokens that exist. Bitcoin will top, and Bitcoin could probably carry out its entire bear market correction in 2026 while the other section of the market rallies. So there is still reason to believe that the cycle is still intact, the 4-year cycle is still intact, unless or until data changes. जो वो 2026 में ही पता लगेगा. Unfortunately कुछ पता नहीं लगा सकता अभी जितना डायनामिक हो गया सब कुछ.
ये
See,
जो
previously
नया
we
फ्लश
didn't have,
बोल
yeah, previously we didn't have that digital gold market cap, comparisons. This time there is. So if you
No, we've
compare like
always
2.5
had,
Digital gold?
years-
no, we've always
in
had
mainstream,
gold
in
comparison.
mainstream, not within crypto, not within crypto.
नहीं, but it's always been there. But the thing is कि आज तुम्हारी जो क्रिप्टो में लोग बैठे हुए हैं, and their understanding of the market has also changed. So now they do sort of compare it with gold किधर जा रहा है, market किधर जा रही है. Whereas अगर 4 साल पहले, if you see the market, जिस तरह क्रिप्टो में लड़के बैठे हुए थे जो who were traders, they would only look at crypto and they would the assumption was that it was completely off the market, right? Crypto was something that was actually working against the centralization and all of that, and so the market sentiment at that point was very different until ETFs and all of these things started happening and institutions got involved, and now it's sort of linked crypto with the world financial markets, right? So now you have more comparisons available, but it's, and that is one good point you raised, because one thing that we keep forgetting is also gold में जितना पैसा and liquidity is lying right now, and with the rally that the gold is having at this point in time, we also have, usually what has happened in the past cycles is that gold has rallied during those times when BTC has slowly moved up, and the minute gold sort of takes a dip is where you see BTC really rallying up, right? Because money rotation happens from gold to digital asset. That happened last cycle.
Yeah, but gold top is also not in, by the way, in my opinion.
Exactly my point, right?
Not
That
in.
when we're talking about cycle tops, right? So gold top has not happened as yet, right? Yes, the entire financial market say कि यार हम लोग बिल्कुल end of the bubble पे बैठे हुए हैं, it can pop anytime, but when that bubble will pop, we don't know. That could, like you said, very well go all the way till the first quarter of 2026, maybe second quarter 2026. We don't know, right?
Yeah.
And that is exactly what's going to happen. BTC in the interim, in the maybe November, it's probably going to go higher. December, it's going to go higher, and it will correct. My assumption is it should have a nice correction between end of December, mid-December. Usually that happens, and when that happens is where your alt rally starts. That is exactly where you all start to gain momentum, and in the first quarter of 2026 is where we might see the top of the alt rally. ये मेरी understanding है. रही बात on the 4-year cycle, I don't know we'll have that absolute bear that we used to have, because now that institutions are involved, right? You won't have BTC dropping down 60-70%. That's not going to be happening. You can't have, I mean, you have Michael Saylor whose average buy is at what, 74-75K, right? You have BlackRock जिनकी
माइकल सेलर
average
तो
buy
उड़ाएगा मार्केट, ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे. माइकल सेलर खुद उड़ेगा वो, पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा बहुत गंदी फीलिंग आ रही है मुझे.
the day BTC falls below 68, right? I think he gets liquidated, and that's when we get
No, I don't think it's average buying up 68. His average buying has gone considerably up.
Now it's gone much higher,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, probably 90 or 100 maybe even.
Because at some point, and he's been leveraging his stock to buy BTC, right?
Yeah.
So at some point he'll have to sell if you see his stock prices, they touched an all-time high. But even though that BTC is not touching an all-time high, like around 125, 126, his stock price is not touching. So he's been like liquidating a lot. And that is what will happen if his stock price keeps going below a certain price, जो उसने उसको leverage किया BTC खरीदने के लिए, that is when you see, then that is when he'll have no choice but to sell BTC. So
and that is where we'll face a huge downside because अगर उसने बेचना शुरू किया, the market sentiment will change completely.
और ये पहली बार भी नहीं है, लाइक ऐसा नहीं है कि माइकल सेलर पहला उड़ा नहीं है, पहले भी उड़ चुका है वो, तो ही इज familiar with it. And one of the things that he's not like a safe player, right? He plays it extremely risky. So let's see कि कहाँ जा रहा है वो. ठीक है.
Yeah, but I think हम लोग देखेंगे alt market in the first quarter of 2026. That's what I see.
नहीं alt market तो आएगी देख तेरी, because ये पूरा उन्होंने शिट कॉइन्स तो गए तेरे. द ऑल्ट कॉइन्स से मेरा मतलब क्या है कि लार्ज कैप और मिड कैप्स, आई थिंक दैट इज मैक्सिमम,
that is where the market is. Yeah,
probably top 30 max,
है ना. और तेरे जो थोड़े ये बाइनेंस अल्फा वाले हैं कि अगर वो उनके, क्योंकि सबके मार्केट मेकर्स तो इंटरव्यू हो, तो
Binance Alpha projects are doing good now. मतलब in the short term थोड़े पैसे बनाने के लिए getting in, getting out, quick bucks, it's good.
COAI crashed, वो देखा तुमने?
But I have a feeling ये देखना, ये COI अभी 4-5 पे गिरा है ना, ये इसको वापस रन करेंगे 20-21 तक, because उसकी तो अगर ऑर्डर बुक देखेगा COAI की, that order book it's not something I've seen normally. मतलब that is completely manipulated order book. वो वापस लेके जाएगा उसको 20-21 पे. I have a feeling.
आजकल तो विज भी थोड़ा एक्टिव हो गया है. क्या डाल रहा था वो? ZC वाला टोकन डाल रहा
है.
Zcash तो देखना, तो वो Zcash तो भागा है ना.
क्या भागा ना वो?
हाँ, कहाँ वो 81 से 380 something टच आया है उसका.
4 years all time high in less than like I think 3 days कुछ था उसका.
Yeah.
Was that after Naval Ravikant tweeted?
कल रात को a gaming token ran, Mavia, 130%.
Best game ever, best market maker ever.
हद हो गई है. Gaming token out of nowhere.
Of course, right? Because that's the future.
all the shit coins ये तो सारे मार्केट मेकर ही चला
रहा है. अरे कोई वॉल्यूम ही नहीं है किधर भी यार. It's already market maker वॉल्यूम भगाते रहते हैं. COA का बुक देखेगा, the entire book of COA is like completely shit. You can't buy easily, you can't exit easily. पूरा मार्केट मेकर चला रहा है चार्ट को. तो you just have to buy and forget about it for like 1-2 months and pray that the market maker pushes the price.
The thing is, ये जो Binance Alpha projects है, I think इसमें leverage नहीं, इसमें ना आप spot में enter करो 1000, 2000, 3000 ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, and then let it be. वो उनमें ये होता है 10 में से कोई एक एकदम पंप मार देता है, it goes like 7-8x, फिर नीचे आ जाता है. When it pumps, you exit at that point in time. Till then you hold.
By you he means us and not the people watching this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely yes.
This is not financial advice. Do your own research.
Please do not buy those tokens. Please. I do not advise anybody to invest in crypto.
Please speak to your financial advisor for advice.
Who's probably into crypto as well.
Yeah. जो बोल रहे थे वो buy 10x कुछ नहीं होता है.
जाएगा.
अरे leverage 75x हमारे leverage sir.
I think आज के लिए तो बहुत डिस्कशन है. 50 मिनट का हो गया. So टेक्नोलॉजी को एडिट करना पड़ेगा, although I don't know how he'll edit because he doesn't know anything about technology. And तुमने मार्केट की बहुत इन्फॉर्मेशन दे दी है भाई को. अब अगर उसने कोई पॉजिटिव व्यू बनाया है मार्केट का और ही इज एंटर्ड, तो देख लेना. अगर इफ BTC crashes from here and alts run, so that means he is the Narkundi, because यहाँ पे इसको हमने क्या कन्विंस किया है कि BTC पहले भागेगा.
Navid, you don't have to say that out loud. ये इसको organically feel होनी चाहिए. You can't instill it in his brain.
It's okay to doubt yourself, sir.
I'm just pointing out कि ताकि लोग भी देख लें कि मार्केट कहाँ जा रही है, वो किसके वजह से जा रही है.
We'll know on the next one.
Next वाले में ना we'll pick a few tokens जो हमें लग रहा है कि यार ये पैसे बनाएंगे, that only we trade, ठीक है? And then we'll see that when he enters the market, what happens to them.
Even AI is losing on those tokens, so मैं कौन हूँ फिर?
I know, but so technology, what is your view of the market? Where do you see the future of crypto for the next 1 week?
अरे मत पूछ भाई, मार्केट गिर जाएगी.
Long term horizon of 1 week.
This is a good time to end this podcast. Thank you everyone for coming.
Everyone has positions open. We don't want to get killed.
Like, share, subscribe और क्या था? Bell icon.
Comment, hit the bell icon,
Comment. जो
report,
करना है.
block, whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
ये देखना यार, ये आदमी क्यों है यार हमारे साथ यार, ये नरकुंडी
Negative.
इस पे भी रिपोर्ट ब्लॉक, नेगेटिव नाइक बैन।
हाँ, ठीक है। कमेंट्स में गाली देना, हमें बोला गया है कि ज्यादा गाली मत बको क्योंकि डिमोनेटाइज हो जाएंगे जैसे।
Please, guys. Shout out to StreamYard for subscribing and allowing this podcast to happen. They are lovely unofficial sponsors. So
हम अगर गाली बकेंगे तो हम सिर्फ टेक्नोलॉजी का नाम लेंगे बस।
Yes. Okay.
then I'll report this podcast then.
Okay. Go back to your real lives with your real children and please follow my advice on how to deal with them. Thank you so much.
नहीं, मुझे नहीं जाना है.
चलो, bye.
Adios.
All right, guys, take care. Bye bye.
Bye.
See you.